whatever that fucking noise was seems to just be sticking around to where it can hide, or where it seems to feel safe or hidden. Obviously, I can't know that for sure, but it's my best guess. And I haven't heard anything at this window, which it is a little bit slanted, but it's still kind of at level with the floor. Like my window, I'm like at eye level with the floor. I mean, it's just an animal, right? Like this type of stuff doesn't actually happen, right? Like I know it does, but why would it happen to me? What did I do to piss off something in the woods? My books. My books. My books. I got a book. I got a book. I got a book. Okay, on a serious note, this book is kind of ass. Like, it uses Romani slurs to exercise a possessed spirit, ignoring the fact that to do a proper exorcism, if you're thinking about like demons in the sense of the Abrahamic demons, you need to be properly ordained as an exorcist, and I don't think you or I are. There's some Latin spells in you, and they don't tell us what the translation is. I don't trust that. Do not trust that. Classic to make enemies suffer. The Frog. It's one of the reasons I actually don't like this book. It encourages people to kill frogs. I'm about that witch life. I get it. I'm not killing the frog. I'm not killing the frog. What did the frog do to me? What did the frog ever do to me? I'm not killing the frog. He did nothing wrong, to my knowledge. Anyway, the creators of the show used real spells from this book. And now so am I. This book. I haven't opened this book.